True love gives. It's selfish love that always wants to be at the receiving end. This quote gets to the core of what love is meant to be. It's not a transaction, a negotiation, or a tally of what's owed. It's an outward flow, a self-sacrificing action. The moment we start expecting to be served rather than to serve, we've moved from true love to selfish love. Selfish love is a consumer. It constantly asks, what can I get out of this relationship? What are they doing for me? How are they making me feel? This kind of love keeps a ledger of hurts and favors. It becomes a constant, draining cycle of unmet expectations and disappointment. But true love, the love the Bible describes, is a selfless giver. It finds its ultimate purpose not in what it receives, but in what it provides. It is an echo of the love God showed us through Jesus Christ. John 3 verse 16 is the most powerful example of this. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. God's love was a radical act of giving. He gave his most precious gift for us, not because we deserved it, but because his very nature is to give. In a marriage, this principle is vital. True love gives forgiveness when it's hard. It gives patience when you're frustrated. It gives a helping hand when you're tired. It gives grace when your spouse makes a mistake. It doesn't keep a record of wrongs, because its focus is on pouring out, not on taking in. This kind of giving love builds a strong marriage. When two people are focused on outserving each other, the relationship flourishes. There's no score to settle, no debt to be repaid, just a mutual commitment to honor and bless one another. Philippians 2 verses 3 to 4 calls us to this very mindset. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility value others above yourselves, not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interests of the others. So, take a moment to reflect. Is your love for your spouse a giving love or a selfish love? Do you find yourself constantly asking for more, or are you looking for opportunities to give? The health of your marriage often hinges on this one simple answer. If this message resonates with you, please consider hitting the subscribe button, liking this video, and sharing it with someone who needs to hear this. Your support helps us spread this message of hope and restoration. What are your thoughts on this quote? Have you experienced the power of giving love in your own marriage? Share your insights in the comments below.